Hello student of class 11, this video is the continuation part of set theory. Now I am going to explain proof of De Morgan's theorem. Proof of De Morgan's laws. First one is A union B complement. This is equal to A complement intersection B complement. A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. I already said about the complement of the set. So I am going to the proof. First, I will take X be, let X be any element of the set A union B complement. That means X belongs to A union B complement. That is, X not belongs to A union B. That is, X not belongs to A union means or X not belongs to B. Union X not belongs to A and A not belongs to B. This is A union B. Union means or, but here X not belongs to A and this is and X not belongs to B. So X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. That means X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. So I can write A union B complement. This is subset of A complement union B complement. This is first thing. And the second thing is let Y be any element of the set A complement intersection B complement. That means Y belongs to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. That means Y belongs to A complement intersection and Y belongs to B complement. That means Y not belongs to A and Y not belongs to B. Okay. That means Y not belongs to A union B. This is A union B. That means Y belongs to A union B complement. Here A complement intersection B complement. This is subset of A union. Sorry, this is B. A union B complement. So I can write from first and second union B complement, this is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. And next proof is A intersection B. Next proof, A intersection B complement, this is equal to A complement union B complement. First, let X be any element of A intersection B complement, that is X belongs to A intersection B complement. That means X not belongs to A intersection B. That means X not belongs to A or X not belongs to B. Not belongs to. That means X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. Not A complement, that means X belongs to A complement. X not belongs to B, that means X belongs to B complement. That means X belongs to A complement union B complement. That means A intersection B complement is a subset of A complement union B complement. Okay. Next, let Y be any element of A complement union B complement. That means Y belongs to A complement union B complement. That means Y belongs to A complement union means or Y belongs to B complement. That means Y not belongs to A, Y not belongs to A, Y not belongs to B, not belongs to A, not belongs to B. That is Y not belongs to A intersection B. That means Y belongs to A intersection B complement. A intersection B, that means that is A complement union B complement subset of A intersection B complement. So A intersection B complement, this is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Now I am ending here.